Alright, guys, today is a big day. Breaking news coming in with regards to the Omicron variant of concern, COVID 19. Canada has finally has introduced additional measures at the border to address this particular concern. So, the Minister of Health, the Minister of Transport, and the Minister of Public Safety, all three of the ministers have announced new border measures. What are these border measures? Which all countries are added to the existing list of travel restrictions, and with regards to the restrictions on permanent residents, citizens, and all foreign nationals. What are these details is the main important topic of the day. We are discussing this. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Alright, guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen. The details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we proceed any further, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is the channel you must be subscribed to all the time. Alright, guys, the big news today is with regards to the new additional border measures, the strict measures which have been introduced by the Government of Canada, and this has been done to address the COVID 19, the Omicron variant of concern. Now, the Minister of Health, Minister of Public Safety, and the Minister of Transport announced these particular measures today itself, and the ministers said that the existing 7 country list of travel restrictions around the Omicron variant have been finally extended by 3 more. Now, overall, there are 10 countries which are a part of the travel restrictions which have been created by the Canadian government. The first country is Botswana, second is Egypt, third is Eswatini, fourth is Lesotho, then we have Malawi, then we have Mozambique, and then we have Namibia, Nigeria, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Now, the travel restrictions clearly say that effective tomorrow, which is the 1st of December, all foreign nationals who have been to these 10 countries in the past 14 days will not be permitted entry into Canada. Okay, so that's the first part of the news. Second part says Canadian permanent residents, Canadian citizens who have, regardless of their vaccination status or their history with COVID 19, if they have been to one of these 10 countries in the past 14 days, will be subject to enhanced pre-entry testing, the arrival testing, screening, and quarantine measures. Now, what they say is that in the coming days, all fully vaccinated travelers who will be arriving by air, apart from arriving from United States, will be subject to arriving testing, and the fully vaccinated travelers will be required to quarantine while they await the results of their arrival test. Okay. Now, of those people who have not been fully vaccinated, all the unvaccinated travelers with the right of entry to Canada will continue to be tested on arrival and on day 8 and will have to quarantine for 14 days. Additionally, they will be, the travelers arriving from air will be required to stay in the designated quarantine facility or a suitable location which will be let known to them, and this will be required until they get the test day result, the arrival test results. Okay, guys, the Omicron variant of concern has been very highlighted, or has been a sort of a red alert by WHO as well. Canada has been taking very proactive steps. They don't want the variant to be spreading around in Canada. However, we have already seen 5 plus cases in Canada already. We have seen in Quebec, Ontario, and then Alberta, which is very concerning. But guys, we don't want another lockdown to happen. We don't want any more travel restrictions. We all have been suffering really bad. But it is what it is. Even the government is taking their measures to step up the security at the border to make sure that the citizens and the permanent residents, everybody inside Canada is safe, right? So this is very important, guys. We will keep you posted with any new updates. Until then, if you have anything to discuss with me, my number is on the screen. Details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Until then, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.